Welcome home to 927 River Crossing. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Your guest bedroom has an ensuite full bath, very privately located in the front of the home, across from a spacious office. The home features wood floors throughout. The dining room next to the open concept kitchen family room. Stainless steel appliances and inked cabinetry. A separate hall for the guest room, guest bathroom, secondary bedrooms. With the laundry room, access to the attached garage. The master suite is private at the rear of the home and quite large. The master bathroom has inked cabinetry with granite countertops, a his and her sink, garden tub, and a separate shower. The master closet is sure to make anybody's day easier. Very, very large. And again, the master bedroom, so very, very large. This home has a beautiful back porch with outside speakers and a wood deck. Come see me at 927 River Crossing.